Your OSPF neighbor is stuck in the down state? Don't start changing the configuration yet. Let's troubleshoot it step by step, like a real network engineer. First, verify the interface status using show IP brief. If an interface is down, OSPF cannot exchange hello packets, so the neighbor will always remain in the down state.
Next, test Layer 3 connectivity. Ping the neighbor's interface IP address. If the ping fails, the issue is with the underlying network, not OSF. Fix connectivity before troubleshooting the routing protocol.
Now verify the OSPF configuration. Check that both routers use the same OSPF process, area ID, and that the correct interfaces are included in the network statement.
Compare the hello and dead timers on both routers using show IP OSPF interface. These values must match, or the routers will never become neighbors. If OSPF authentication is enabled, make sure both routers use the same authentication type and the exact same password or MD5 key. Any mismatch prevents adjacency. Check whether the interface is configured as a passive interface. Passive interfaces don't send hello packets, so OSPF neighbors can never form on them. Verify that no ACL or firewall is blocking OSPF multicast traffic. OSPF uses multicast addresses 224.5 and 24.6 to exchange routing information. Still stuck? Use show IP OSPF neighbor, show IP OSPF interface, and debug IP OSPF adj to identify exactly where the adjacency process is failing.
With parameters verified, the OSPF state transitions. Adjacency reached. Your network is fully converged. Follow us for more.